Updating your legal name on Speedify is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Speedify website and log into your account using your existing credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard or under your profile icon. Step 3. Select name change option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy before moving on. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new name, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email. Follow any instructions provided to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Speedify should be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.